like yesterday, no, which speaks of attachments which prevent us from entering the kingdom of heaven. Continuation, no, possessions possess us. How the blessings, how the grace imprison us. Imbes na grasya, nagiging disgrasya. Bakit? Kinukulong tayo eh. We thank God for the gift. We forget the source of the gift, no? The giver. No? We just, salamat sa regalo. Nakalimutan natin yung pinagmumulan ng regalo ang ating Panginoon Diyos. It becomes a curse many times if we are not careful. We know how easy it is, no? Pag may kayamanan, may kaalaman, no? Kapangyarihan, control, no? Parang I have control of many things. And it is difficult for God to control us. Kasi control. So we are reminded of the trap of materialism. No? Kung gaano to pwede maging trap. Hindi lang to sa mga mayayaman, kasi pwede rin mahirap na naaalipin ng materialismo. No? Meron naman mayaman na hindi naaalipin na ito, ginagamit ang mga bagay na to for the glory of others. So we are reminded of this very, very big trap, no, in the gospel today. We all are familiar with our physical strength, our physical condition. Kamusta ba ang ating kalusugan? Kamusta ba, no? Yung physical health? But let us not forget our spiritual health. Madali sukatin yung physical health, eh, no? May cancer ba? Wala, no? Malusog ba o hindi, no? Physically. But the spirit, many times we fail to address. Kamusta ba? Kasi makakapasok tayo sa butas ng karayom sa pamagitan ng Espiritu, hindi sa pamagitan ng ating physical attributes. It will help, but this is the mechanism. The body will be the instrument to be able to enter that small hole, butas ng karayom. Nagiging mas madali pa sa kamelyo kaysa sa atin kung hindi tayo mag-iingat. So, spiritually, let us be prepared. Let us constantly bigyan natin ng laboratory test yung ating kaluluwa. No? Let us always be checking how our spirit is. Kung malusog ba to o 50-50 na, no? O talaga naman nababaliwala natin yung espiritu natin. Kailangan natin ng espiritu. Kailangan natin ng espiritu ng Diyos para yung espiritu natin lumago. No? Para mas tumaas yung espiritu, yung materialismo at ang katawan bumaba, no? At hindi baliktad, no? The physical and the spiritual. We ask the good Lord to help us as we are inspired beautifully by the saint for today, si Saint Bernard the Abbot, Saint Bernard of Clairvaux, how he has helped us to be reminded, nag-aapoy the passion for the Spirit and not just for the material things that hinder us from entering that hole, no? That little eye of the needle with the grace of God. Again, sinabi, it is impossible in the eyes of man, but for God, everything is possible. Amen.